Hello everybody, it's Rob back again with another video. How are ya? Hope you're alright. Today has been a very funny day. So I'm back with another video, and I always seem to say the same things at the beginning, that I haven't made a video in such a long time. And because it's the summer holidays here in the UK, I have been working at the lake pretty much every single day of the holidays, which is why I haven't been able to film and I haven't been able to do any videos, which I love doing. So I thought I'd upload this one, and it's a very strange one, as from the title. Today, I kind of went through the first parts of a process of becoming a bus driver. Me in charge of a flipping bus. Hello! As I've been trying to change careers, I left my job in February, way back then. If you go on my channel, you'll have seen some of the videos of me trying to become, or applying to become, a gym instructor and all that stuff, as I am a qualified PT. That kind of stuff didn't quite work out just because of bad timing. And so then I started working at the lake, and that time for me is coming to an end. The holidays are finishing and the lake does close in October anyway, so I need to get a new career. And could it be that I'm going to start my career as a bus driver? So today I started off the process. So that process includes, first of all, applying for the job in the first place. I sent off my CV and they chose me as part of, I think they're taking on maybe 4 or 5 drivers. So if they don't like the CV straight away, obviously you won't be selected. And so as mine was selected, I met up with them today. I drove to the depot, and round here, the depot's head depot, whatever, is in Oxford. So I drove there, I met at 10 o'clock. They left me in the canteen for a while all the other drivers started chatting and eating and stuff. I felt out of place. I felt like the first day you go to school, you know, where you don't know anyone and you're a little bit scared. Yep, that was me today. I got called up, and when I applied, I didn't really know fully what the process entailed, and you have to take an exam. So there is a numeracy test, there is the highway code test, and then there's like a literacy test and a numeracy test, yeah. And then once you pass that, you have to get a minimum grade, and if you pass that, then you go out in a van. If you've never driven a van before, it's just so you can get, or they can get a picture of how you would drive a bigger vehicle and how you would cope with a bigger vehicle on the road with oncoming traffic, etc., and going around hazards and all that kind of stuff. If they are happy with you at that stage, you then have to have another interview with the MD, and the MD, I think it was the MD, she was really, really nice. Asked me some challenging questions, as you do in an interview, and so that went okay, I think. And at that stage, if they are still happy with you, there is another stage, and that includes a medical. The stagecoach company has their own GP, so that GP has to talk with my GP to make sure I can actually be fit enough to drive a bus. There is a maximum weight restriction. Hopefully there's not a height restriction because I'll be too short. But anyway, if you pass that stage, then you have to have a blood test for drugs and alcohol. And if you pass it at that stage, then you may get offered a position. Now, the position I applied for is a trainee driver. So all that means is obviously you'll get the training, but people who have never driven any larger vehicles can apply. If you've got your minibus license, is it a PCV license, you can apply, and then you get to drive the bigger buses also. And the reason they do the thorough test is because the double-decker buses that they have at Stagecoach, and the double-deckers I'm sure other companies, they are roughly about 400 grand each. So if they put me in charge of that, that would be a bit daunting, and you can see why they go through the whole testing procedures. So today I've done it. It was about 3 hours long. So I'm waiting now to see what happens. They are interviewing all day. Once they offer you a place, then it includes 7 weeks training. 7 weeks training. You learn the different routes, you learn how to use a ticket machine, and basically just being competent driving the massive vehicles. So stay tuned, keep watching this channel, and we'll see how far I can get. Maybe I will hear something today, maybe not, maybe over the next few days. I'm still working at the lake at the moment, so I've got the lake job just for the next few weeks, and then I need a brand new career, so come on, let's do it. What else has been going on? As from my last videos, I was using the Osmo Action from DJI. Obviously a massive, massive action camera fan. And talking of action cameras, this is a time of year when big companies like GoPro will be launching their new models. So I may be having something special on the GoPro. Maybe the Hero 8 when it comes out, I may be able to get hold of a model for a review. But don't say anything because that might not happen, okay? So just shh. Other companies like Canon, they are launching 2 new models, and the camera I'm using at the moment is the 80D. It's quite popular with vloggers and stuff, and there is a 90D out very, very soon, as well as a mirrorless camera from Canon. So have a look on the internet, have a look what they are offering. Massive, massive megapixels, I think 34 or something, 30, maybe 33, around that number anyway. So massive, massive resolutions. So have a look at them. Stay tuned, yeah, for the rest of these videos. I'm gonna put some more up, and let's see how far I can get in this becoming a bus driver series, or a couple of videos. So that is basically it from me. Remember to like and sub for all the good stuff, and if you want to know how the bus driving thing goes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Maybe a GoPro video coming up when it is announced, I'm not sure, but again, that is it. Take care guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Hello everybody, it's Rob back again with another video. How are ya? It's been a while, and from the title of the video, remember, like, oh fucking hell. But that is it from me. So I'm back after what seems to be ages since the last video, and I keep making videos with, and this time it's because during the holidays I've been working at this lake, and I've been there pretty much every single